everyone, my name is Marce. I am a junior at the University of South Florida and I am a Victoria's Secret Pink campus rep. I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys that I was chosen to be one of VS Pink's campus reps at the University of South Florida for the 2021-2022 school year. There were over 20,000 applications and I was one of the lucky ones to be chosen, which is crazy because I absolutely love pink and I can't wait to start working on this program and do a lot of amazing stuff throughout this year. I have been wanting to be part of the campus rep program for the longest time, ever since I was in high school, so it is literally a dream come true and I am just so excited to be working with them. Before we get into the unboxing, definitely consider giving us at South Florida Pink and giving my personal socials a follow, as I will be posting a lot of the stuff that's pink related on my Instagram, and I will be doing a lot of more unboxings on reels and all that kind of stuff. Pink sent us this gorgeous welcome package and it is this super cute white box with some blue like holographic letter, and I am so excited to show you guys what's in here. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So when we open this box, we see that the lid has this little question here that says ready to rep it. This is just the beginning. Love pink, and yes, I am ready to rep it. I am so excited. And it is this gorgeous pink color on the inside. Then we have a little like card from Pink that says that we need to disclose that all of these items were gifted if we decide to post it. So yes, thank you so much VS Pink for all of these items. I am so excited to try them out. We also have this little plastic bag that says you are our missing piece. Solve this puzzle for your invite to the Pink campus rep kickoff, and it is a little puzzle that had an invitation for the rep kickoff that happened July 19th through July 21st. So when you put it together, it pretty much says you are virtually invited to the rep kickoff and the date. And what Pink usually does is that they fly out the reps to Columbus, Ohio, to the Pink headquarters for the brand training, but because of the pandemic, that is something they couldn't do last year or this year. Made sure that brand training was super fun and we got to speak to a lot of amazing people. And we had Brooklyn and Bailey come and talk about social media. We had Tinks from It's Me Tinks talk to us about how to get comfortable just posting and just being yourself. So it was such an amazing experience. So the first item in the box is one of their t-shirt bras, and it's this black bra with kind of like a tropical print, and it says Pink in their white cursive logo over the two cups. It is so cute and so soft. And this bra actually came with matching undies, so they sent one of their thongs, and it also has the exact same print. It is black with a little like lips, like colorful lips. Then we have one of my favorite items in the whole box. It is this kind of like ombre bralette. It is so pretty. It is kind of like a tangerine color with some dashes of pink, and it is so pretty. It has a little strappy back and it says love Pink with the new logo all over the band. From their seamless line, I also got their seamless line sports bra. It is so comfortable. I absolutely adore the sports bras, and it just says Pink in the front in some white lettering. Super comfy. And then I actually got a set for this, so they send their full length leggings. It's kind of ripped on top and it says Pink on the back, and it has one of those like back like hidden pockets. These are so comfy. I love them because they hold everything in super well. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can. And something that also goes with the sports bra really well is this pair of ribbed biker shorts. I have worn this so many times already. They are so comfortable. They also have the little like back pocket. They have this cute little silver plaque that says Pink, and these are the absolute best biker shorts that I've ever tried. They also sent over their campus short sleeve tee, and it is in this blue tie-dye color, super pretty. It is so comfortable, and all of the things that I got are in a size XL, but this is so cute. I absolutely love it, and it has this little like pink tag on the sleeve, which is such a cute detail. And then what I think is my absolute favorite item, and I actually mean it this time, from this box, they sent the crew sweatshirt, and it is this tie-dye one. It's pink and it is so comfy. It has a really oversized fit, so this is an XL, but it would probably fit like a 1X. It is so comfy. I have been living in this sweatshirt ever since I got it, so I definitely recommend this one.
Only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Thank you so much VS Pink for all of the amazing items. I can't wait for everything that we have in store this year, and I can't wait to rep such an amazing brand for a whole year. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and follow me on all of my social medias if you want to see my journey as a pink campus rep. And definitely give us a follow at South Florida Pink on Instagram to check my school's pink Instagram account. If you enjoyed this video, definitely turn on the notification bell so you can see every time I upload a new video, because I have a lot of pink related videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye.
Straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside.